Shannon, and this is my channel, The Sewing Warehouse, where I talk to you about my dressmaking journey. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy this video. So today I have something different for you, and that is because of this big box next to me. I have actually purchased an embroidery machine. Now this is something that I have been looking for a while. I have researched the one that I wanted. This is the exact one that I wanted, but I did purchase it secondhand, although it has never been used. So let's go and open this box. Okay, now as to what was actually in the box. It's the manual. It comes with a hoop and electric cord attached to some things. The actual machine here, it looks like a sewing machine, albeit a bit heavier than a regular sewing machine, and then the embroidery module, which looks like this. Now all the tape's still on there from when it was bought. Let's see what's in here. Got the power cord. I checked before I bought it, it still turns on, so that should be fine. Got this pouch thing, some scissors, always handy. These were embroidery needles. What am I seeing here? A couple of bobbins, spool holders, and some screwdrivers. So that can go in there. A spool of thread. This is bobbin thread, so you can load your bobbins. It's 1,000 meters, so I think it should last a while. I'm not sure when it comes to embroidery. Then there is one hoop, and the hoop size is 18 by 13 centimeters. I believe you can buy multiple hoops, but I think this would be the biggest size for this machine. I'm assuming so, from what I've read. And then it comes with a dust cover as well for when you're storing the machine. So that's all what comes in the box. I did get a few extras as well, because the people that sold it, they were ready to go, they just never got around to it. So I've got 2 boxes of threads, all the colours in the rainbow, so much thread. So I mean, I don't know about the quality of this thread because I've never used it, but I'm just gonna see. It will definitely just be good for practicing, I think. So yeah, 2 boxes of those, and then some stabilizer from the brand Janome, which I'm assuming is good, or at least like won't damage the machine. What else is in there? There's something in there. Oh, it's another spool of brother bobbin thread. 2 spools of bobbin thread. Nice. This is iron-on stabilizer, Janome. Okay, so at least I can get started and try my machine out. Okay, so let's do this. There's a booklet here. Start your journey with Artspira. So Artspira is the app from Brother that connects to the machine, and it has all kinds of designs on it that you can then use for free, or there's some that you have to pay for, like a premium subscription or something, that you can then use on this machine as well. So you don't only have to use the designs on the machine, but you can make your own and just connect it to the Wi-Fi, and that should be cool. All right. So yeah, I have downloaded that, so I don't have to do that. Okay, so I have removed all the stickers and I've put the embroidery module on, and I have opened this clap thing, and that reveals like the bobbin winder and the thread spool thing. And I'm ready to just turn it on and see what it does. Here we go. Okay, so it gives these pictures in this menu thing. Ooh, select your language. That's the English. Okay. Ooh. Raise the presser foot lever. Where is that? Oh. There we go. Remove the embroidery frame. Okay. The carriage of the embroidery unit will move. Keep your hands away. Okay. Set to wireless LAN. Well, not now. I'll do that at a later stage. Okay, so we've just got them. Okay, so we've got our menu here, and I think here's where we can see the designs. You can go into flowers, and there's about 13 pages of designs that you see. This is, oh, here's where you then select the next menu. Let's say this heart. So this heart then comes here. This is the embroidery frame. So here you can see, well, where the edges are basically, and how the design is going to go in terms of placement on the hoop. Then you can press set. Now you can move it around. And so you can say all the way to the side, right there, and put it in the corner. If that's what you want, you can recenter it. Okay. You could resize it, but apparently that's not very, it's not going to come out great. So I've heard, so I won't try that. This, what is this? Here you can change the colors. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what this means. Oh, here you can see the colors, I guess. And you can change the colors as well if you want to. I don't know what this means. Oh, that's saving it. Okay, no, go back. You can mirror it. You can add stuff to it. So let's say I want to say that I want to put my husband's name in there. What do I do? R I C H, for example, set. Okay, well, this is something we can, I want it small. Yeah, okay. I want to move it. Okay. Okay. What's this? Oh, okay. So, okay. So there's lots of things you can do with this stuff. Okay, cancel. Yeah. So there's lots of designs that you can choose from. But nice letters, flowery letters. This looks quite cool. I don't know what that means. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to wind a bobbin. So I've got the thread, bobbin thread here. Spool holder, just go on top. And we're just going to follow the directions, the thread guide, just like a regular sewing machine. I think this would it go in here? Okay, so now we're going to place the bobbin. It goes a bit differently, so it goes in like this, around this thing, and then the sharky thing, and then here, I think. That's what it says. Alright, let's cut that off as well then. Ah, that's what it does. Okay. Okay, so bobbin is threaded. Let's put this thing back on. It goes like this. Click. That's a good sound. Alright. So then we take the bobbin thread spool off. And now I think we gotta hoop some fabric. Okay, so I'm just reading the instructions for the stabilizer. It says wherever possible the stabilizer should be fused onto the fabric. Now I'm just trying this out and I don't really feel like dragging my iron out and my ironing board, so I'm just gonna try and put it on top of each other and without ironing it. Yeah, so let's open this. I just grabbed a piece of fabric from my scrap bin, basically, and I'm just gonna try something out. Let's see how it works. All right, so we're opening the stabilizer. Oh, I have to peel this off. All right. Alright, and now I've got a piece of fabric hoops, and we can get that. Okay, so I have attached the hoop to the embroidery unit, and I'm just gonna choose a simple design, floral. The machine is threaded now. I have selected this little heart design because it's just one color, and what we're gonna say, end, edit, end. Okay. Oh, now it's gonna, what's it doing? Okay, how can I? Okay, that's how it like shows. Okay. Embroidery. Alright, we're gonna press the start button now. Oh, lower presser foot, yeah, that would help. And then it turns green. Nice, okay. Here we go. My very first embroidery. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's going very quickly. The dog's like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? And this is the finished result of the first embroidery ever done. Doesn't look bad, I don't think. I'm quite happy with that. Under the light of the machine I could see there was some bobbin thread coming out, but that might just be because like I didn't do the stabilizer properly, or something else, but now in this normal light I can't even see it anymore, so I am quite happy with that result. So that was me unboxing my new embroidery machine and showing you how it works and sharing with you my first embroidery project. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will do a more extensive review on this when I get a bit more familiar with it. But for now, let's go sew.